Hey guys, Jason here, back with another vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, and share my videos. That'd be a great help to me. So this is actually the last of my Caribbean trip. It's the country of Antigua, and if there was a place that I'd go back to, it would be this place. I think this was my favorite place. Just great sunshine, nice beach. I went to a beach called Castaway Beach. Beach was just incredible. It was a sandy beach, sun shining the entire time. Got to drink on the beach under these little umbrellas. I didn't really go in order of the places I went. I just went from just random, but I wanted to save this place for last. I just think it was truly a great experience to go there. So let's get into the video.